Once the badge has been created and activated, you can issue it manually from Issuer Tools, then Issue Badge. Click on the badge you want to issue to get an overview of the badge and to view the instructions specified by the creator of the badge. On the second tab, you can set the badge details, specify the badge issue date, which will be today by default, and decide when it is to expire. If there is no specified expiration date, the badge will be valid for an unlimited period of time. You can view the criteria specified by the badge creator, and you can also specify a criteria addendum. This addendum will then be added following the criteria specified by the creator. This text can be specific information relating to the issue context. For example, if the badge is issued following participation in a training course. On the third tab, you can indicate the list of recipients of the badge, the beneficiaries. If you have created a recipient list upstream, you can select it. Otherwise, enter the recipient's email addresses, one email address per line. You can also indicate the first and last names of the recipients. Those pieces of information will appear in the Open Badge Factory reports and in the PDF version of the badge. If you already have a list of recipients in a file, you can directly copy-paste the list of beneficiaries. On the fourth tab, you can edit the email message that will be sent to the beneficiaries. By default, you will find the message configured when creating the badge. Last but not least, you can confirm and issue the badge. You can specify an event name, that is to say, on which occasion the badge is issued. For example, here, following the participation in a specific training. These pieces of information will be available in the statistical reports, unless you choose to hide this badge event from reports. Finally, click on the Issue Badge button. Congrats! The badge has been issued. Here is the email received by one of the recipients, with the possibility of sharing it directly, exporting the PDF version, or connecting to Open Badge Passport. All beneficiaries are notified both from Open Badge Passport and the mobile application.